Alright, I just got a package from the Pokemon Center. This is the blister pack that was sent in order to replace or compensate for their mess up on the Pokemon Center exclusive ETB for Chilling Reign. And it's pretty disappointing. The package came like this with a cut in it and some tape. And then this side's sealed, but I guess I'm just gonna open it up and see what happens. Hopefully nothing's damaged. I've been hearing a lot of people have had their sent to them damaged, so that would be a real pain in the ass. Get these scissors, makes it much easier. This thing came off, but that's not really a big deal. Alright, let's take a look at it. Has Articuno, Zapdos, Moltres, and 2 booster packs. Corner's kind of elevated, kind of semi-damaged, but it's not too bad. This is what the back looks like. Pretty disappointing quality control. I mean, look at this. This is all jacked up. Don't really know what to do with this at this point, but I'll think about if I'm gonna open it, keep it sealed, or whatever. Don't really know. Pretty disappointed, but it is a nice product. I mean, Pokemon Center did not have to do anything this big for compensation. So I'm happy that they were able to take care of their customers, but either the post office or UPS or the delivery drivers just aren't doing a good job. I mean, just look at this thing. Hopefully the next couple that I have coming in aren't as bad. I do like the coin though. I think that's Raikou. Okay, well that's pretty much it. Just a simple short video. If any of you guys got one of these and it was damaged, please let me know. Thanks.